Hey y'all!
Welcome back to another video. So, Mom, what are we doing today?
We are going school shopping, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe. We wanted to take y'all along with us. I also have a new package that I also got to unbox. So let's get into this vlog. I haven't done a vlog in like a week. So I'm about to do last minute school shopping supplies.
Some noise, give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this.
Mom, you might need this because you might.
Making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this headline. Intrusive. Paralyzed. No fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be life's better on Saturday.
I think I need a backpack.
Okay, let's go over there and look at the backpacks.
Okay.
You see any book bags? Because I don't really see no book bags
Plastic
here.
one. I think I want a plastic one.
You like that one?
Yeah, I just want a classic.
I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better.
Hey y'all, so I made it back in and I want to show you guys my package that I received in a collaboration with Club Kickz. Club Kickz is an online sneaker company that sells all types of luxury sneakers and brands. So let me get into what I received. I received a pair of Dior sneakers and this is what the box looked like. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box and show you guys all the details. It comes with a Dior box. And these sneakers are in men for boys. So these sneakers are going to be modeled by my son Kyrie. This is what the sneaker looks like. These are real nice. I know school is coming back and why not get you a pair for school? If you're in high school, elementary school, college, this is what the sneaker look like. These sneakers are very comfortable. They're very cute, casual, and all that at the same time. This is the Dior receipt. Yes, it's around official. This is the receipt, y'all. So this is everything that came in the box, and of course you get a dust bag, y'all. So how nice is a dust bag to keep everything nice and clean for your sneakers? And this is the other pair. So my son is going to try these on and he's gonna rock them because that's what we do over here. We're gonna show you guys exactly what they are. So I just think these Dior sneakers are really nice. It got the Dior tag in the front. I love the colors, blue, gray, and white. So these look really nice. Okay, so of course he's gonna walk in them I want to see what he look like. So he can wear these for school. For school, of course. All right. And of course, it comes with another pair of laces inside, just in case you want to switch them up or they get dirty. Of course, you got the laces up in here going on. So of course, he's going to try these on. So let's see what it do. Okay. So let's see.
Places I ain't never seen, girl, you know what I mean. Take the talk, nice and quiet. There ain't no one that touch you up, ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and.
Okay, guys, so Kyrie loved those sneakers. If you're interested in purchasing those sneakers, please go over to Club Kickz.ru. Get you some today. You won't be sorry. They are comfortable, cozy. Kyrie said he gave it a 10, baby, all the way. Get you some. All right, so let's get into what I got from Walmart with their school supplies. The first thing I got was this book bag for Kyrie. He needed another bag for school, so I used to be getting them book bags all down through the school year, and I just thought they needed a fresh, crispy one, so that's what I did. So this one is Kyrie's. Faith got a pink one because she's such a pink girl. So I got her this one. They're very durable. I like that they have leather on the bottom, on the trim. Kyrie's have leather too. And I just thought they were like really cute and durable. So Walmart stepping up their game, y'all. So let me get into the next items that I got the kiddos for school. I got them some markers just to have to do their arts and crafts. I also got Kyrie this composition book just to have, and it has like video games on it. I thought that was really super cute because he loves playing video games, so I got him this one. I also got him this notebook. This is a 5-star notebook, nice and durable for Kyrie. I also got Faith these folders just to have for school. Colors are real pretty, look like a uniform theme, so she wanted these for school. Okay, yeah, so I got her these. These come with 6 in the pack, so nice count with those. Okay, I also got them some safety scissors. Kyrie got blue, Faith got the pink ones. So this is safety scissors. I also picked up some crayons just to have, because you know they be having homework. I got Kyrie blue.
Those are sparkly. Those are sparkly.
Oh, these are sparklies.
And then this is like let me see.
So Faith said these are sparkly, which is really cute.
Mama,
And then
what does this say?
These are just bold and bright. So I guess Kyrie can have that one. Faith want the sparkly ones. I got them some paint because sometimes they be having homework to paint. So I got 2 of those. I also got some pens, y'all. These were 50 cents and these were like really, maybe it was like 3 left or 2 left, but I grabbed them, okay? So these were 50 cents on sale. It was like empty. So I'm not sure if you could check your Walmart and see if they still have them, but baby, 50 cents, you can't beat that. 50 cents with 10 in the pack. So I grabbed 2 just to have 2 for them for school, especially Kyrie, not Faith. And then I got some pencils just to have. I like these pencils because they are already sharpened, baby, and you cannot go wrong with having some pencils for school. I also got some erasable, colorful pencils just in case they have homework to do after school. So you know you gotta just load up on some erasable pencils. They have the erasers. They have all the pretty colors, okay? I got some tape also just to have. Faith wanted this cute composition book just to have for her school.
It's classic. I just want some classic stuff.
She said it's classic, y'all. So this is
It's
what
like
she
I had a
picked up.
classic backpack.
And then I got this 5-star for Kyrie. So I got him another 5-star. This has it's college rule notebook. It has 200 sheets inside.
That's for
It's very cool. I love the it looks big. Really nice. Yeah, it's big, it's nice. It got folders in it too. Folders inside. So I also picked up this pencil case. It's really cute and bright, so she can put like her pencils, her markers, her crayons.
I just want classic stuff.
I got her this pencil case so she could put like her markers, pencils. She can even put her her safety scissors and all that stuff inside of here, so she, you know, so the stuff won't be loose in her book bag. So this was really cute. I think this was like the last one because I was looking for like, so guys, that was basically what I got for them for supplies. Walmart was like half empty, but you know what, that's what you get when you be last minute. But like I said, they start school this week coming up, like period.
That week? What
Yeah, I
do you
start
mean?
school, yeah, this week coming up.
This
So I
week?
made it in time just to get some supplies, y'all.
The last minute.
Yeah, last minute me, right?
Yeah.
But I'm happy I was able to get it done, y'all. But anyway,
Guys,
make sure
I'm
y'all.
just putting my stuff in here for no reason. I don't know why. But...
So guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video out. We appreciate y'all again. Thank y'all so much. Also, shout out to Club Kickz for this collaboration. Thank you for sponsoring this video. We appreciate the love and support. We'll see you on the next one. Peace and bye.
Bye.
Funhouse and Mommy's vlogs, vlogs, vlogs. Say Funhouse and Mommy's vlogs.